The other night, just before falling to sleep, I had a vision for a tempered and regular glass piece. So, of course, I reached for my phone, talked the idea into my email app, and sent myself an email. I was scared I'd forget the idea while I slept. It's going to be a pretty big piece on a wood frame that a woodworker buddy made me. FYI, you can order wood frames from popswoodshop.com. First steps, a coat of water-based Kills on all sides and adding hanging hardware on the back. Next, I cut some regular glass, which is the same thickness as the tempered glass I'll be using, and started pushing them around to create a mountain range. It is so fun and free to paint for the tempered glass technique. The glass will hide all of the imperfections, so why not have a ball with it? This kind of sky is inspired by a postcard I picked up at the Anza Borrego State Park gift shop of an abstract landscape painted by artist Armand Valet. My research into him also led me to another artist who paints mountains with gorgeous skies, Nikki Frumkin. I used weld bond to glue the papers to the wood substrate. The papers were absorbent, so I laminated them with packing tape to prevent discoloration. Since making this piece, I have started using Mod Podge sealer instead of laminating. Way easier. I used Lexel to glue the large pieces of regular glass. At first, I tried weld bond, but got frustrated because it takes so long to cure to a clear state.